Yeah, so we've analysed their application suite, and we have just around 7,000 applications in the bank today. And we think that about 4,000 of those are candidates for moving to the cloud over time. So we're like most big global banks. We have a large on-premise infrastructure today, and we're evaluating the economics of actually moving a big proportion of those 4,000 applications to one of the public cloud providers. We're partnering with Google and with Amazon and with and Microsoft as well in this space. Some of the challenges are really going to be around the economics of actually refactoring some of the applications. So the apps have to be able to be cloud native, so it requires some refactoring. And we're assessing the economics of actually doing that refactoring of the apps, or lifting and shifting them as they are and running them in a container on the cloud. So these are the types of considerations we have to take. I think in the big data space, we're pretty clear that moving large workloads of data warehousing applications is actually very attractive from an economics perspective, and that's something that we're on a good path with already with GCP. So I think big data environments, data warehousing applications are much easier to move. I think when we get to the point of looking at applications hosting, there's a little bit more work to do around whether you have to refactor and what the economics would be for that. Yeah, so we partnered very closely with the engineering team here at Google on the cloud services platform, which has been renamed at the conference here. We actually feel that as an enterprise, as a banking enterprise, where we have a commitment with our regulators around data security and being able to protect the data. So we've worked on developing a much better level of controls around encryption keys management, around virtual private cloud service logging, and geofencing of the data, because these are the requirements we have as a bank. So we've worked very closely with Google on this, and the services now they're offering around these areas are making the Google platform more relevant and applicable to a heavily regulated organisation like a bank like us.